We just recently replaced the outdoor fixtures on the front porch of our house, and it got me thinking about the scale of outdoor lighting, and I wanted to share some information with you because among all my other pet peeves, outdoor lighting is added to that list. Maybe number 2 on the list, maybe number 1, not sure. But the main 2 things that get me about outdoor lighting that I see way too often is that the lighting is too small and it's also too high on the wall. And mine was the exact same situation. I had a very small fixture and it sat really high on the wall. Now, in a lot of cases, you won't be able to do much about where your electricity comes out, the wires come out of the wall, unless you hire a professional to change it for you. But what you can do is you can shop for a fixture that from the eye view makes the fixture appear lower on the wall. And that's what I did here. We did not change where the electrical was on the wall. We just visually lowered it by buying a fixture that more of the glass portion was down low. When you go to the store and you shop, remember that the way that light fixtures are measured are from the very top of the fixture to the very bottom. It's not just this glass part, it is everything from here all the way to the bottom. And so our last fixture, I think it measured 19 inches, which may only be a couple inches smaller than this, but it was this big, tall metal piece with this little bitty piece of glass portion in the middle. And that's what makes the scale feel so small. The more glass you can get on the fixture, the bigger the scale will feel. So as you can see here, we have very little measurement on top, and then we've brought all of this down, so the main chunk of the measurement of this entire fixture is down below. So hopefully some of those tips will help you when you're buying your outdoor fixtures for your front porch.